This is a backpack that also has, you know, hiking sticks with it, and it also turns into a chair. Very cool. It's a 3-in-1 hiking backpack chair, and it's from the company Alocs. Here's the little set of instructions, and I went over the instructions. There's not much to these. It shows you basically how you do the actual hiking poles and how it's a backpack, and then how you set it up. Has everything labeled. So there's labels on each one, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, all that. So you can see the logo right there, Alocs. And you know what? It's a 20 plus 1, whatever that means. Let's just go over some of the pockets of this thing. Up here's a little stash pocket on the top that you would, you know, put your wallet or anything right here. And it's kind of like a waterproof top material. And then down in here, I have these two things. So you got these right here, and I don't know how well you can see it, but you see B, E, A, C. So you got all of the logos on it right there. Now this is some extra tips. I think this is for the hiking stick. These are some extra tips right there. I didn't really use those, but you know what? You got them just in case you want them. Down in here, it looks like you got like a padded area for a laptop. Pretty decent amount of storage in there. On here, this is for the poles. Once I do the hiking sticks, they'll go down inside there. Let me show you how the walking sticks work. Now this one has that bungee built in, so we know that locks into there. E and a D, and it goes in just like that. It kind of locks in. See, it's almost becoming a walking stick already, just like that. And then this is the foot for it. There you go. See how quickly I got to get together? That was pretty fast. So there's one walking stick right there. There's an extra tip. Now that would be for a different type. If I didn't want that foot style, I would put that on there. Now I'm going to repeat the process and then pop out another walking stick. So let's do that now. Yeah, so there's both the walking sticks. I don't see any issues with these at all. So if I want, I could easily adjust it right here and then lock it off. You can tighten it up and all that. Obviously, it's not going to be as good as like a full-on carbon fiber walking stick, but these are pretty solid. It feels like it's an aluminum type walking stick. It has a kind of a joint right there. It's got the feet right here, and you could change these out. You see this right here? Just unbuckle this. When you unsnap that, you see how that is? There's the top of this thing, and there's the bottom. So I'm going to take my walking stick apart right here. I need to loosen that up, get back to that joint. See where there's a stop right there? So I'm going to take that off, right like that. So I've got that stick, and then these two right here. There's a C on this. Pop that in there like that. Right there's the D. That goes like that. Right here's the A, right like that. There's the B. Take this edge right here. When this one goes in, it pops out right there. Now there's the bottom. So this is going to be the bottom bracket. Now what I'm going to do, you can see it starting to come together as an actual chair. Take this bracket. So once you build out all of this one, I'm going to take these two halves and just push them together like this. Basically, that's everything right there. Take this back. See how the logo's up here? Put one on right there. Now it kind of just goes like any other camping chair. These all kind of are the same to me. You see how there's a little pull tab right there? That gives you a little something to pull onto and get that on there. So the whole purpose of this is to eliminate carrying so much. So I've got walking sticks, backpack, and a chair all in one. I think this is a great option for anyone that just wants to get a little bit less gear when they're carrying with them and have a decent chair and backpack. You know, everything's to this thing. There it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Alocs. You know, hiking, backpacking, walking sticks. See y'all in the next video.